Oh my gosh. August na pala. Maulan na pala, alam ko. It's been raining because August pala. Bakit talaga maulan? Ang lamig kasi ng panahon eh. Why do I feel it? Ang lamig. Bakit? Siyempre, rinig mo? Lakas ng ulan eh. And I was like, Uy! Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Oh my gosh. Nakakainis talaga ang ulan ngayon. Siyempre, do we have a knock-knock jokes right here? Okay. Knock-knock. Who's there? Bagyong Luis. Bagyong Luis who? Sige nga. Bagyong Luis, your DJ was hot like me. Nakakatakot ang bagyo ngayon na. Baka mamaya, bahain kayo. Nakakatakot talaga ang baha ngayon. So, as I always say, dun sa last month, ang celebration ng buwan ng week. Ano? Buwan ng wika. Oh my God. Ang bilis ng panahon. Gosh! Ang bilis ng panahon. August na pala. Ang bilis ng panahon. Well, who could experience about that? So, alright. 45 minutes past 6 o'clock in the evening tonight and oh my gosh. Maulan talaga. Maulan talaga. Do you miss me how I talk like that? I swear, sabi daw, suggestion ko sa Kate Greenside ka malaro kasi babae ka. Babae talaga ako, ano ka ba? Nakakatakot yung low pressure area. Nanonood ba kayo ng balita, guys? Nanonood ba kayo? Oh my God. I was like, Bagyo, bagyo, tama na please. Ayoko nang maglandfall sa bahay ko. Charet. Takot-takot ang ulan ngayon ah. Kaya dapat we have to stay safe. Or what else? Maghigop lang kayo ng mainit na sabaw. Nakakatakot yung ano, ulan ngayon eh. Feel like malamig. Malamig talaga katawan mo. Oh my God. Ay! Alamig. Alamig. Oh my gosh. Alamig. So, sige na nga. Okay. But 47 minutes past 6 o'clock in the evening tonight. But I had to sing a song just for you bago mag-start ang decades of sounds from classics to now. But good news, I was noticed by DJ Sting because because of my music taste against humor. And alright, wag natin patagalin to, but I had to sing more songs just for you, but stay tuned.